Okay, Jaden, I'm doing this on a virtual machine. I have downloaded HD35 software again, just to see if I need to do a clean install or not. So I'll unzip this. Now, to install the CFR21 version of the software, it is a different program. I assume you've sorted that out. Let's wait till I unzip this. And I found that it works all the way through to the last stage where you asked for the CFR21 username and password. And of course I don't have one of those. So let's give it a minute to finish unzipping. Right, so we've unzipped. We'll do the auto run. We'll tell it that it's fine to run the program. We'll select English. Now, note that we're installing HD35 APC FR21, not what you had before. Tells us that we acquire a couple of clear type, and there's another program that it will need, report creator, I think it is. So this is installing the clear type. I assume it's a font. And now it will tell us that we need to have, yes, installation with a report viewer 2012. So let's put in some random details there. And then we'll go ahead and install the CFR21 version of HD35. It's taking its time. It's an older machine, and of course running a virtual machine takes a lot of resources. Okay, that's done. Now it's going to finally install the CFR21 version of HD35. We accept the agreement. We'll make a desktop icon and a quick launch, and we'll install the program. Eventually. Okay, so we've installed that. Now it's going to ask to install Mysql. Now, as before, we have to be quite careful about installing Mysql because it's not very intuitive, as we've discussed. So yes, we want to do that. Yes, we accept the license agreement. We'll go complete. We'll go install. And here's where things go wrong mostly. We are going to click close. And we're going to have it launch the configuration wizard. Next, detailed configuration, developer machine, multifunctional database, normal path. We're going to add a firewall extension and we're going to enable strict mode. Yes, we want standard character set. We want to include the bin directory in the Windows path. We want to put in the password, which we default as 9876, but it can be your choice, but just don't forget it whatever you do. Tick root access and execute, and we should get 4 ticks if that's all gone well. And there we go. So that completed successfully. Now what we should get, it's probably not going to boot. So we'll go to the desktop where we've done a shortcut. There we have the shortcut, so we'll run that. And note that it's a CFR21 version. Yep, there we go. FDA 21 CFR 11. Now at this point is where we log in using the hardware information that you've got. Username and password here. I can't go any further than this. So hopefully that's where you're getting to. So we'll soon see.